and then bring it back to center. Think about aligning, your head over your heart and your heart right over your center. Fingertips come to your sides. Inhale, reach all the way up. Big breath, big stretch. As you exhale, float the fingertips down. You can even give them a little wiggle. Good. Inhale, reach up towards the sky. Big breath, big stretch. And exhale, wiggle the fingertips, float them down. One more time, synchronizing the breaths. Still on the knees here, and we're gonna start to move in a circular motion with the sternum, the chest. And then reverse the circle. You can make it as big as you like, checking in with the shoulders, the neck, the hips. So we're starting to create some movement here in the body, moving the chest forward, around, and back, starting to move the rib cage. Feel the belly move.